Blaze County until 8 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Knoxville, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sydney, New Bremen, Munster, Enna, Fort Loramie, Jackson Center, Watkins, New Knoxville, Hardin, Port Jefferson, Kedlersville, Lockington, Montra, New Bern, Lake Loramie State Park, Bellew, Plattsville, Maplewood, McCartyville, and Swanders. This includes Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 86 and 107. The National